Tara, maglakad tayo. Pero hindi ko alam kung okay lang ba yung damit ko. Girl, as a mom, I just placed random things in my suitcase. Hi, Amira! Mama's in Berlin. I miss you, baby. See you soon. Baby, it's snowing here. I can show you. This is Mama's first flight after giving birth to you. I love you. This is the whole fit. Okay, guys.
Yes, die Potsdamer Platz, one of the main squares. Holocaust Monument, the Brandenburg Gate, and the Parliament. That's on this side. If you want to go a little bit further, take a walk along the river. There's over to Museum Island and Berlin Cathedral.
This is just walking.
That's over to walking distance.
Walking siya. Let's see kung kayanin ko. May pagkasya nga din talaga ako. Hindi ko kinuha yung salamin ko. Wala akong contact lens. Pero, may tripod ako. Galing. Unggoy. At nakaboots ko. Video na lang ako. Bahala na kayo. Meron. Huwag kayong may usok. Hi, dog! Panis. Kung si Rasta tumatakbo ng 10 kilometers, maglalakad lang tayo kasi sakit ng tuhod ko. 9:44 pa lang. Don't think bukas na yun. May mga bukas na shops pero maraming sarado. 2 blocks. 2 blocks na yata ako. Oh my goodness. Very wrong na wala akong salamin. 2 blocks. Hindi yata block 2. Guys, ginagamit ko tong camera pang streets. Kronsenstrasse. Dito, 2 blocks. Dito ako galing. Naglakad ako. Tumawid pa ako isa. Dito na ako. Wala akong makita. Tanga-tanga. Hello. Can I ask you something? Where is this?
Oh, I don't really know.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Kita nyo na. Sabi ko sa inyo may usok eh. Akala nyo nagjo-joke ako. Guys, may loto din oh. Uy, nice. Souvenir shop. Hindi ko alam kung tatapusin ko to kasi umuulan. Also, wala akong salamin. Tang. This is so cute. Should I try? Let's do it. Wait, let me set this up. I have Amira's picture here. Ito yung tourist attraction dito. Guys, may McDo, may KFC. Ito na tayo kumain para mura. Okay, so this Checkpoint Charlie. Wala pa akong idea kung ano yung Checkpoint Charlie. What's this Checkpoint Charlie?
Checkpoint Charlie was just the border crossing of the GDR.
And
like West
who is Charlie? Is it like historical or something? The picture there.
No, Charlie is like just a language in NATO. That they just alphabet. Charlie.
Phonetics.
Yes, and this was just a checkpoint Charlie, so the border crossing.
Checkpoint Charlie.
Yes.
Checkpoint C, like.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is that guy?
Just a random person.
Okay. How people escape.
Yes, from the east to west.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, so yung artwork na nandun, ano siya, mga passports, old passports na kinolect noong 2002. Nandito tayo ngayon, lakad pa ng isa, ito na yon. Tapos isa pa, makikita ko itong, ano to, tignan natin. Wala akong internet, wala akong bag, wallet lang, and power bank. I guess we'll survive. Checkpoint Charlie means checkpoint C, like checkpoint Alpha, checkpoint Beta, checkpoint Charlie. Ito yung assembly point nila nung gera-gera. Ganun. If you have any more explanations, please let me know. I'm so dumb at history. I mean, yeah. By the way, ito nga pala yung ginamit kong boots ko nung kasal ko. Guys, may kalapate. Ang galing, hindi sila nilalamig. Sa Pinas, pinapalakpakan tayo para lumipad. I guess hindi ganun yung tunog ng kalapate dito. Pagod. Kapuyoy. Yung flight before this, na-cancel. Lahat, kagabi, kami lang yung tao sa immigration, as in, parang pandemic feels. Walang tao, walang ibang tao. Kami lang yung lumipad papunta dito sa Berlin. Lahat ng flights canceled. Kaya siguro punong-puno yung flight namin. As in, yung mga immigration officer parang pumasok lang para sa amin. Dahil sa kapal ng snow. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Wilhelmstrasse. Galing tayo sa... dito. Galing tayo dito. Nandito na tayo ngayon. Nandito tayo dito sa 17. Paano? Dito. Let's go. Mawawala na ata ako. Charot! May mapa ako. Hindi ako mawawala. Hindi natin tapusin ang ating sarili. Anhalterstrasse. Anhalter. Oh, we're here. Boogs, may tayo massage. Sino ka dyan? I think it's this one. Start of the exhibition in the trench is on the opposite side. I don't think I'll go there though. But, ayan siya. Mga historical emeru. Parang ang ganda mag-emote dyan. Wait lang. Dyan na lang ako mag-emote. Sayang wala akong kape. Props. Boosh. Boosh. Take two. Walking streets of Berlin. I saw the mom reading the poster to her kid. Oh. Ah! I saw this nice building. Oh, baka ito yun. Ito na yata yung puntahan ko. There you go. Maybe it's this one. I'm not yet sure, but...
Where are you from?
It's better. Guys, pinipicturean ko siya. Wait lang. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I did my best. Go.
You have your own YouTube channel?
Instagram and TikTok, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from India.
I mean, why are you here?
For business work.
Oh, nice. Okay, enjoy.
He's also with me.
You're with him?
Yeah.
Bye! Thank you! He's asking if I have a YouTube channel. I do, but I don't post. Let's post this one. Yeah, I guess it's this. Okay, there's 5 guys. Diyan na lang ako kakain. Guys, may nanghingi sa akin ng pirma. Tapos parang magbibigay ka ng pera. Tapos sabi ko, no. Tapos sinigawan niya ako. May isang lokal dun. Sabi niya, hayaan mo na, umalis ka na. Guys, may 5 guys, pero parang ako lang yung bibili. So, 1 guy lang yun. Sorry. I hope it's open. 10:30? Ano ba ngayon? Closed. Open. Dun daw sa loob. Company Emery. Hindi ko alam. Ano? Sarado din. Ayun siya. Akala ko kailangan pumasok sa office eh. Ito suot ko. Hindi pa rin. Okay kayo. Oh my goodness. They order here? I don't speak German. Ang mahal. Guys, kumakain na ako. Ang init ng pati, ang lamig ng kamatis. Look really. Wala na ako lipstick. I wanna get a hot chocolate. Nice! Good, free wifi. Ito pala mga kainan eh. Guys, isang buong food court. Unggoy. Guys, labas na tayo. Kasi baka mapabili pa ako. Wait lang, baka may CR. Yung stocking ko nakalawlaw na. Ah? Second floor pa, huwag na. Ay, sa hotel. Sana hindi tayo maligaw. Tagal ko inintay. Isang lagok lang. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. Whatever the type of talk it is, I'm on it. Liligaw na yata ako. Dito ako sa Wilhelmstrasse. Saka Leipzigerstrasse. Yan. So, yung hotel ayun sa X. So, diretso pa tayo. No. Ang galing dito, talagang pina-follow nila yung signal. Kahit walang kotse. Punong-puno na sticker. May event sila sa Valentine's. Ay, pinapaalis niya ako. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I think I'm kinda lost, but I'm looking for Hilton. This side, alright. Thank you. Hey, I think I found the hotel. Back to back. Thank you guys for joining me. Para ako may kasama. Kahit mag-isa ako. Love you all. Salamat. Salamat ng marami. I'm back.
You're back?
Thank you. Thank you.
Went all everywhere?
No, just here. Potsdamer Platz. Yeah, I ate and then to the mall, Berlin Mall. Yeah. Thank you. I'm back. Dami ko nilakad. Relax na ako. Magpapump naman ako ngayon. This is my first pump of the day. Dala ko yung sterilizer with me. So, I have a small sterilizer and it fits my suitcase. If you're traveling and you want to pump, I think it's best if you bring the sterilizer with you. This one, I might send it down like the other 2 packs I gave last night to freeze it again. Thank you for watching.